Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need a Workspace host account and attendance reports enabled in admin. Once you confirm that, open the Meet or the associated calendar event. Start the meeting as yourself, make sure recording or reporting features are available, and admit participants. Once done, click the People panel and check Participant List, update so names populate. Keep the meeting running until attendees join and leave normally. Because Google logs join and leave timestamps, this is how the report captures attendance. Once the meeting ends, open the calendar event or the follow-up email. Google often attaches the attendance CSV there, or you can access it from the Meet chat or meeting details. Click the attendance report link and choose CSV download so you can sort and filter offline. Make sure you save the file with a clear name and check timestamps. Google uses your account time zone. If you need aggregated attendance, import the CSV into Sheets and use simple formulas to calculate total duration per participant. After downloading, open the CSV in Sheets and verify columns: participant email, join time, leave time, and duration. Use filters and SUM to finalize attendance records and export a clean roster. If the report is missing, make sure you hosted the meeting with the Workspace account that has reporting enabled, check spam for automated emails, and confirm admin console policies. If numbers look off, cross-check Meet chat and session logs. These help resolve gaps when participants reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.